Hello, fashionistas. Welcome to Fashion World. Happy brand new week to each and every one of you, wherever you are watching from across the world. Hope your weekend was lovely and hope you are settled down for this working week. And my prayer and wishes for you is for you to have fulfilling, rewarding working week at the end of this week. Today, let's get you mesmerized, stunned, thrilled, and wowed with these lovely, beautiful corporate styles for the boss ladies. It's a working week, and you need to work with comfort. You need to work also while working with comfort. You need to have that swag and finesse wherever you find yourself this very week, and that is why we've put together this collection of simple, lovely, beautiful, gorgeous styles for your delight. These styles are for every lady, regardless of your body type or nature of work. Most definitely, you will find something in this very video that will suit your type of work. Do you work in an office? Are you a businesswoman working in a store and so on? You will most definitely find something in this very video that will tickle your fancy. As usual, just sit back, relax, and get that maximum styles inspiration from this lovely video, full of captivating, lovely, beautiful, gorgeous styles for your delight. They are predominantly made with Ankara fabric. You know how generic Ankara is, at the same time how legendary this fabric has been to us Africans over the years, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. I think it's a generational fabric that transcends from one generation to the other, and looking forward to another century or millennium from this time, as Ankara is still going to be making waves, most definitely. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and don't let this video be for your eyes alone. Endeavor to share with family and friends for us to really spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. And if today happens to be your first time here on A Fashion World, you are most definitely welcome to this number one hub on the cyberspace where the best of African fashion are showcased. Hit on the subscribe button and put on your post notification for you to always get notified anytime a lovely video like this is dropped on this platform. And share, as I said earlier, is very fundamental, and that will enable us to share to spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and the promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely, awesome, rewarding, fulfilling working week ahead. I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you.
wanna try to get you in the mood. I just wanna hit your spot. I wanna get low, wanna get low. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet and you make me crazy. I wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet and you make me crazy. Right before I go, that's the time that I'm gonna show all the crazy things that I'm gonna do to you, baby. Ooh, I want you to make me uncomfortable. Wow.
Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.